So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 18th of December. XAUUSD, also known as gold. Now, let's just have a look what's been happening with prices. So, um, so we've had a sell-off and in gold, and since then we've been pretty range bound, in around this between 1251 and essentially 1236 or so at the lows. So we've had this breakout move to the upside. It was somewhat tempered by the 200 period moving average just here. We did look poised for a breakout to the upside. We did have a breakout, but it wasn't with the sufficient volatility we're expecting. We're expecting to take this 112.63, beyond which possibly going on to test that 200 period move, 400 period moving average, and going up towards that 1276. What we have seen is we've broken about 200 period moving average, had a small move to the upside, and again we've been had the selling momentum re-enter the market. So if we do hold this confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as this 1256, 1251.43, looking to target at 1263. If we do successfully navigate 1263, we'll see our price in around 1270, coupled with the 400 period moving average. And from 1270, I suppose 1276, 1279, 1284, and 1288 would come into focus once we close above 1270. Now, if we do break down from where we are at present, if the 200 period moving average does not hold the level, as well as this what is that? Is that 1251? If we're not able to hold 1251, we would potentially looking for prices to retrace all the way down to 1243. If we're not able to hold 1243, 1232, 1233 would be the level that we are looking at, below which we're looking for that 1214.26. I don't anticipate price getting all the way down to 1214.26. Although if we do see a strong momentum into the market, we could potentially see prices head towards that 1233, 1236 level. But overall, I would expect the range to be quite small on gold. It seems like there's been the range has fallen quite a bit. So until volatility picks up, I suppose we have to be modest in our targets. So possibly 1279 will be out of focus. 1270 at a push, but again it will be depends on market volatility, and same to the downside. As we're pretty close to this 1243, so 1236 or so would be the ideal level for XAUUSD. Now, we mentioned levels to the upside, and we mentioned the 400 period moving average. Again, to the downside, we've mentioned our targets. So, with all of the upside and downside targets set, let's have a look at the daily chart. Just bear with me a second here. So there we are. So on this daily chart of XAUUSD, so we've had our highs there, lower high, lower high. We've come down into an area of supporting around this 1243. We've seen some buy side momentum come into the market, and again, if we are able to hold this level here that we are looking at, we'll be looking at 1263 and move beyond the the 400 and 200 period moving average, after which we're targeting levels that we've previously mentioned. So overall, we're cautiously bullish the XAUUSD, while acknowledging cautiously bullish the gold over the short to medium term, while acknowledging that there does seem to be some headwinds in regards to gold. And with that said, that should wrap up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.